Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So today I have a wig review for you guys. Donmily had gifted me this wig. This is 100% human Brazilian wig. This is a water wave wig. This is 8 inches. And then in this part of the video, I'm just showing you guys the packaging and the cap construction. In this clip, I'm just showing you guys how the wig looks straight out of the box, and the next I'm going to style it for you. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. So as you can see, I have the wig on. I'm gonna do a 360. This is the front, side, the back, other side. So I already gave you guys the name and title in the beginning of the video. So let's jump into the specs and my thoughts on this wig. So this is a human hair wig. This is a curly wig. I believe it's 8 inches. It don't really look 8 inches. The top can probably go for 8 inches, but it does say it's 8 inches. Let's see, is it stretched? Maybe it's 8 inches stretched. The density, I believe, is probably like a 150. I don't feel any tracks or anything in this hair. The cap is small and big head friendly. It fits very comfortably on my head. I did not have any shedding. I did not have any tangling. So my overall opinion is this is a great protective hairstyling for anyone. If you want to try short curly hair, or if you want to take a break from your natural hair, you can wear this hair. I don't believe that it was very expensive. I believe it's very affordable. I will have links in the description box if you're interested in purchasing her. But it came with a part already. I did not bleach the knots, but I did use my lace tint spray. I will also have that linked in the description box. And then I did add my own baby hairs to make it look more natural like mine's. I do like this look. It gives me a very natural looking look. It looks like my hair. It looks really, really cute. This would take a lot of work to achieve in my hair. That would be a lot of hair rollers for sure. So overall, I do like this wig. I do recommend it. It's a cute dupe for your human hair wig. Look at, it got me looking, So to me, it will bring youth to anyone. It depends on how you style it. To me, you can add water or mousse, but make sure you do add baby hairs if you would like. But overall, I do recommend this wig. So thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys, and I see you guys in my next video.